Now that we have created 4 lines, it's a good idea to save this file with the proper name. Go to File, select Save. In the VTC folder, we're going to call this file Sofa. Since the text is highlighted where it indicates file name, I'm simply going to type in the words Sofa. I don't need to put in the DWG extension. Autocad will automatically place that in there for me. I'm going to select Save. And as you can see in your title bar, the file name reads sofa.dwg. Going back to the sketch, I would like to draw the armrests that are 4 inches apart at the bottom and at the top, and I also need to draw the backrest, which is 8 inches apart. To do that, I'd like to introduce the offset command. It's the 4th one down, offset. I'm going to select it. Looking at the command line, it indicates to specify the offset distance or through. I'm going to type in the value of 4. I could type in inches, but it isn't necessary because AutoCAD understands the unit to be inches. So having 4 in there and then enter using the keyboard. It indicates to select object to offset. I'm going to pick the line at the bottom. Specify point on side to offset. Now that I have that line selected, AutoCAD would like to know which side. In this case, it would be either the top or bottom. So I'm going to pick a point above the line. I'm going to pick here. And as you can see, the line is offset 4 inches from the bottom. That's the first armrest. The second armrest is the top line. And as you can see, the command line reads select object to offset. I am still in the offset command. So I'm going to pick the top line. Specify point on side to offset. That point will be any point below this line. It can either be here. It can even be as far out as a point in the corner over here, because it does represent a point on the correct side to offset. But I'll simply pick right here, and the line is now offset. I do not need to offset any more lines at 4 inches. I actually need to offset a line at 8 inches, so I need to terminate the command first. So I'm going to right click, and then I need to go back and offset again. The nice feature of AutoCAD is that I don't have to select the offset icon again. I could if I want, but AutoCAD remembers the last command used. And if I right click my mouse, you can see that I can repeat the offset command again. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to pick that text. Command line reads to specify the offset distance, and in the brackets there you could see that it remembers the 4 inches we previously used. I want to change that value and set it to 8 inches and enter via the keyboard. Select object to offset. That would be this line. Specify point on side to offset, and I select on the right hand side. Select object to offset again. I don't need to offset any more lines, so I'm simply going to right click, and that terminates the command. If we look at the sketch, it's coming close to resembling what we have in the sketch.